Hi you guys, this is Gina. Welcome to my channel. Today is the revealing day of what we get, of what we poured yesterday. So let's go ahead and start with the baby hearts. And what I remember yesterday, I said they were matte finish. This is what I mean by matte finish. They're not shiny because it gives it a matte. These molds are matte finish. It'll be shiny in the back, but not shiny in the front because they are matte. And that's what I meant by matte. You know, like back in the day, you had a camera and you went to go develop your film, and it'd be like, do you want matte finish or do you want high glossy? So there's another baby heart. Aren't they tiny? They're cute. I think they cute as a bug. And you could use these as cabochons, anything. And my coffee cup. Remember how that part right there? Oh. Yeah. This is my best coffee cup I made. I like this one. And my little tea. This is hard too because you have a little tiny handle to pour in there. Let's see. You know, that's it. And they're really hard to pour because you got to get in those tiny little crevices. And of course this, I like to save these and use them in my boards. This, and I almost overflowed. Yeah. And that's a pretty rose heart. I like the sea bead. They're not sea beads, but they were like chunk glitter. They showed up really good on these. Okay. And this is what I had left over. Remember, I said do not waste your resins. And this is, I get my other molds. Ooh. I haven't done a butterfly in over a year, y'all. And I said I'm going to make some for us sun catchers. Like a wind chime. Look at that, y'all. Oh. Oh. Right there. That's really delicate. Right here. And then after, we're going to show you how to dome in this process video. That's not bad, y'all. And right here, see, because it's still curing. These take like 48 hours to cure. But that's a pretty one I did. I finally did a butterfly perfect. I mean, really, can you get any better than that, y'all? And these would be cute for sun catchers. I think so. Or even just in your car, you know. And this is our heart. Oh. Don't look at that. Isn't that pretty? And that, like I said, we're going to have to dome these. And I have a little bubble right there. I don't know if you can see it. Right there is a little bubble. But when we dome it, then we won't see that. That is pretty. Look how shiny it is, y'all. I like that. And we had a little bubbles, but we're going to dome them. I wouldn't, no worries on that. And I see the love. Yeah, it's still curing, y'all. I can feel it. I can feel it. This is the part everybody likes to see, the reveal of their mix. Because this is the exciting part. Drum roll. Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at my love. Oh, that's even pretty. My love. I like it. I like it. Let's look at the lips. Two of them are stood up. That's okay. Look at those lips. Come and give me a kiss, baby. Perfect. Perfect. Look at that. Perfect. Like a little bit right there, but that's okay. No problem. Now I was looking. I don't see any flaws in here. Oh. Oh. Look. Perfect. I'm feeling. Perfect. Perfect, y'all. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, you got to get it just right, like I said, y'all. You can't go wrong. Now, like I said, when you're doing your resin and when you buy your resin, I buy my resin through, here, let me show you. It's a big bottle. Very big bottle. My resin I get on Amazon. And it is East Coast resin. It's epoxy resin. It's a half gallon. Super gloss coating. It's mixed 1 part resin to 1 part hardener. Works time about 30 minutes. Please mix thoroughly to prevent uncured surfaces areas from forming. You know, I mean, I can't go wrong with this resin. So, I've been buying that resin for over a year now. I buy the half gallons. I'm sorry, y'all, because I'm a resinista. I fell in love with it, the craft, and I said, "Wow, those are pretty. I want to do that." And I studied it. Yes, yeah. My first resin, y'all. I'm gonna show you. Where is it at? Excuse my dog. She's over there moaning. This was my first cast. Now look. Why is it like that? I'm going to tell you why. I mix this during the summertime, and I live in East Texas, so it was very hot that day. And you can't pour resin, it depended on your temperature at home. It was very humid that day, very hot, and it didn't cure well. Most of them did, but a few of my letters didn't. So I learned. I Google it and learned. Whew. That's my girl. She's moaning. She's not in heat because she's fixed. She wants to go outside, and it's nighttime. And there's a, what do you call them? Possums. Out and back. I live in the woods. So, yeah. Oh. These are hard to pop out, y'all. And I've had these molds for 2 years now. Remember, I put this Tell you, man. Ooh. Let me get this mold put back in. Pop it back in. These are good molds that I bought. They're 2 years old. 2 or 3. Yeah. I can't even. I have to look on Amazon where I bought these. I really do like them. And I always turn mine upside down. And yeah, this one turned out perfect, y'all. Remember how I put them all up? The hearts in there. And then I put them all at the bottom. That's what I wanted. Next time I'm going to do rhinestones. A bunch of rhinestones. See, right there, there's no problem. No problem. We'll just sand it a little bit. And it all looks good, y'all. No bubbles. All the time. Perfect. Perfect. There you go. And that is perfect. I love it. I love it. You know? See how the bottom looks? And the inside? I love it. Ooh. So I got a butterfly for starting the sun catchers. Yeah. And then I had these left over. Excuse me. With my reds. My little bears. I make little charms with these. Or, you know. These are great for little happy males. The little bears. And one's a boy and one's a girl. See, you got a girl and a boy. Girl and a boy. So I thought these were so cute. What I should have done, well, these got hearts in them. I don't know if you can see them. I used that rest of that hollow heart when I had. See, like that one, can you see? And we'll see. This was from the other day. There's a little girl. These are cute. They're just as cute. You know? And there's a little girl. And there's a little boy. I'm looking at their nose because sometimes their nose and eyes don't quite get done. I don't know. They're cute. This one I over poured. I'll have to sand that one down. Like in here. I'll use my little Dremel and sand it down. Make him look right. Yeah, make sure he's a boy. He's a boy. This is a girl. Yeah. They're couples. I keep them as couples. Yeah. And save them. People go, why do you save those, Gina? Because if I do, I'm going to do my letter. I got it at a yard sale. No, at the, what do you call that? The Goodwill. I got a letter G wood. And I'm going to do my letter G with resin. Oh, look at my little bears. Yeah, I had a set already for sale on Amazon. I got 2 sets on Amazon, but on Instagram. So yeah, I'm making more sets. These little bears are so cute. This guy ain't gonna have a mate. He'll have to wait. These are cute. And these are just Walmart candy molds. If you use them for resin, just remember you can't use them for candy, food grade, you know. And these are Walmart. Look at these. I got these molds out of the candy where they sell for candy making. Yeah. Look at this one. They're all so cute. Yeah, these are for candies. Chocolates, I guess. I don't know. These are cute, y'all. I fell in love with them. Perfect. So, that's what I had to show for today. And I'll go ahead and link down where I get my resins. Excuse me. And, yeah. And my you know, like my mats and stuff, I'll link them down. I get everything on Amazon, so the glitter I got this bits at Literacy Y'all from my other video. I'll link them down. Okay, bye y'all. Have a great day.